G'day, John for Thehotend. This is part 2 of the shout out for cults3d.com. A little while ago I did a shout out for Pierre at cults3d.com and Pierre asked us to just do a bit of a highlight of some of the stuff on their website. So this is part 2, and as I said in the first one, this model is a little bit more complicated and took me a little bit longer to print. But what I have here is print called Winter Wonder Town, which is that print there. Now you'll be looking at some photos of this print. This is printed in Ararum PLA. It was printed on the JG Aurora A5S at 0.2 layer height, and from memory it took something like 26 hours to print. You may notice in the photos that there is a line which is where a power fail was done, but this is a mighty nice model, really like it. It is a paid model, as I've said before. We don't mind paying for models, although Pierre sends them to us to print to show you guys. This one retails for $5.12, and I think that's Australian dollars. And it's modelled by Kijai, K-I-J-A-I. And he has quite a few models there on Cults. But this one is really nice, I like it. With a little bit of spray painting of white to give it the snow effect, it would be really nice. Even got a little train that goes all the way through at the back. Nice model. Okay guys, so if you're looking for good quality models, not a load of rubbish, and you don't mind paying a couple of dollars for a model to support the model makers, these things take a lot of time to produce, go to cults3d.com and give them some support, because their models on there are really worth looking through. Most of them are free, as I say, some you have to pay for, but well worth it. Okay, see you next time.